Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. SF ramps up TB testing after finding 50 latent cases tied to Riordan. At least 3 people connected to Archbishop Riordan High School in San Francisco have been diagnosed with tuberculosis, TB, leading to a larger outbreak investigation. San Francisco health officials have identified over 50 cases of latent TB tied to the outbreak at the private Catholic high school. The school has cancelled in-person classes for a week and will conduct hybrid learning due to the TB outbreak. The first active TB case was reported in November, but officials said the individual was isolated and the risk to the public was low at the time. TB is a contagious disease that spreads through the air when an infected person coughs, speaks or breathes near others. It can be treated and cured with antibiotics if identified promptly. Health officials are requiring TB evaluation for all Riordan students and staff, regardless of symptoms, and have asked healthcare providers to help identify and report any additional TB cases. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak